As you can see, these edge pieces that were broken before have now been filled in with custom made pieces. And now for any kind of gaps, to prevent using epoxy, Bondo, or putty, we have 3 types of veneers that we're gonna use. We have a thinner type, a medium type, and then a more of a thick type of veneer that we use for different gap sizes. And now we're gonna just put a little bit of glue. And there's a gap right there. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Once the glue dries, we're gonna go ahead and cut as close as possible to that and sand it down. Once all these repairs have been made, and once we've done all of these little touch-ups to these gaps, we're gonna have to sand the entire piece so it could be ready to be stained.